Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that VueJs component and also all that VueJs files. So if that is little bit hard for you, don't worry. Now I want to explain it much clear to you. So now I think it will be very much clear to you. So I want to explain it again how the things exactly work. Like there is a component, into the component that is our hello world. Okay, so right now I just want to do, I remove it. So I just simply delete that file. So as I told you before, we will customize it as per our demands. Right now there is another file. I just remove it. There is a test view I have created for creating the component. Okay, so now there is our app view. So app view is the main root component. Okay, so whatever the component you will create, you have to manage all that your component with this app view component. For the reasons here, I just name it as a main root component of your VueJs project. Like if you want to manage your left sidebar, if you want to manage your header part, if you want to manage your footer part, and also the component part, everything you can manage it with this root component as a app view. Okay, right now that is our app. Like I just remove it. So then it will be very much clear what exactly the things I want to do. Like into this app here, I just define as an ID and that is our default. Here I also don't need this because I already removed that file. So I just remove it. And then there is our export default and there is a name, one of the property. I just only take one of the property. So right now we don't need this. I just make the things clean for you better understand. Okay. So I just simply clean everything from here. So now friend, I think you already know about it. That is actually the one of the ID, and here that is our property. I have already discussed about that things with you. There is a name property and I just define the property name as a app. Okay. So here I simply define that part. So now here, first of all, I want to create one of the method. Okay, so you can create some of the property as a data property. Also, you can do that work. I have already discussed about that things with you. Just if you want to create one of the property, then you have to define that this one, and then you have to define one of the property as a, like I just name it as a name. Okay, and then we just simply pass some of the string. Right, so I have already discussed about that things with you. So right now I want to do, for more security purposes, I want to define one of the method. Like I just take it one of the data method as a data, and I just simply define that method. So I think you already know about it, how you can create that method. I have already discussed about that things with you. Into the data method here, I just simply returned. So I just simply return one of the page. So here I just simply return, I take one of the object as a title. Okay, I just take one of the object, and into this object here I pass some of the note as a wow. Okay, wow, and our view apps, view website are running. Okay, I just simply define this type of one of the text as a wow, our view website are running. So now if you want to display this title, what exactly you have to do? So in particular in our app area here, I want to take one of the h2 tag, and here I just simply print it. So I have already discussed about that things with you. That is our title. So now you can see I just simply added the title. So now friend, if you click on the save all, and now you refresh it, without refresh, automatically it's really refreshing, and now you can see it's now perfectly visible our text, that means the title string as a wow, our view website is running. So now friend, I think it's very much clear to you. So it should be very much clear to you because I just delete all the things and make the things clean, and from to the clean, for your better understanding, I just created that type of option. Okay, so here I have created one of the method as a data method, and here I return one of the title. So that is our title. So here you can see I just simply define one of the string value. So I just simply display this title. Perfect. So as I told you, that is our app view, and app view is the main root component. Okay, so you can manage your all that component. Like if you want to create some of the header file, you can create that header file in particular in our component folder area. You can create the sidebar if you want to create the footer, and everything you can manage it with this app root component, and also you can manage all the things from here. So step by step I will show you, then it will be very much clear to you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.